Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your document is ready. Check file type and sign into your Google account so Translate can access Drive. Once logged in, open Translate. Google.com or go to Google Drive and locate the file. This saves time and avoids permission errors. If your document is an image or PDF, make sure it's clear and legible so OCR works correctly. Now click Documents on the Google Translate page, or right-click the file in Drive to open with Google Docs for conversion. Once the file is uploaded, choose the Documents tab and either upload or drag the file into the interface. You must pick the target language. If you don't know the original, use Detect Language so Google identifies it automatically. For PDFs or images, allow Google to convert the text using OCR first. This step extracts text so translation is accurate. Make sure formatting options are acceptable because complex layouts may shift. If fidelity matters, consider converting to Google Docs first for manual checks. After translation, you should carefully review the text. Automated translations can misinterpret names, idioms, or technical terms. Once satisfied, download the result as a docx or save it to Drive. This preserves an editable copy so you can refine formatting and wording. If you run into problems, make sure the file isn't too large, confirm Drive permissions, or rerun the OCR by opening in Google Docs. If errors persist, split the document into smaller parts and translate each one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.